Hello viewers, welcome to Bhadra Academy, and in this video we are going to discuss about the CUET examination for the undergraduate program, right? So in this there are various streams. So in this video we are going to talk about the physics stream, where one can clear the CUET examination and get enrolled into the undergraduate programs in various central universities, different colleges and state universities also, right? So there are the pattern of the examinations is different, but according to the subject we are going to discuss about the physics paper. Okay, and for more details you can also contact in our number that is given in the screen. You can see that and you can contact us for more details. So let's begin our video. So very first thing is that what are the career options after enrolling into undergraduate course in physics, right? So basically it is BSc physics, or later on PG course also you can enroll. So in that, what are the career prospects that we can have an overview. So in this you can see that one can join for research centers, right? One can do research in this field, right? And he can or she can contribute himself into the cutting edge technology, okay, and in the field of astronomy and space, right? And in different fields he can contribute with his knowledge. Apart from this, laboratories are there, national level laboratories, international level laboratories. Their experimental physicists are required, and then he can work and contribute in theoretical physics and other applications of physics. Okay, after this, education is the most favored field in this subject also. One can become teacher, professor, university level guide. So he can contribute in education field by teaching physics. Okay, next if you see in space also, just we have talked about cutting edge technology. Lot of physicists are required in different calculations and different instruments. Information technology is the present time technology where the persons having knowledge in physics can contribute in detail and work in different software programs and become a software engineer too. In healthcare sector, there are different diagnostic tools, different systems where the knowledge of physics is required for taking readings and other maintenance work. Okay, so these are few career prospects if one is enrolled into the undergraduate course in physics. Now if we talk about the CUET, so this is the course overview that's you can see here, and in which you have different subjects related to your physics, and that is strictly confined to your higher secondary level in class 11 and 12 level, where you can have electrostatics, electronics, modern physics, current electricity, magnetism and wave optics. But if in detail if we see, so here your paper code will be 322, and this is the year 2025 syllabus that we have for the CUET undergraduate course. So now very first topic in detail if you see, so this is electrostatics. In electrostatics you can see there are different again static charge particles, where you have to study about electric charges, Coulomb's law, superposition theorem, Gauss theorem about electric flux application, infinite wire, electric fields, right, point charges, field charges, dipoles and capacitors and capacitance. Okay, so the static electricity part you can discuss in this. Next is your current electricity, right? So in this current flow fundamentals, where electric current in metallic conductors, Ohm's law, very famous, very basic, VI characteristics, electrical resistance, temperature dependence, and circuit analysis with series and parallel connections, Kirchhoff's law and its applications, and Wheatstone bridge. So these are the topics that you have to study thoroughly. And these two topics, current electricity and electrostatics, they contribute the maximum weightage of your paper. Okay, if we continue, you have the magnetic effects, where the magnetic field concepts like Biot-Savart's law, forces of magnetic field like moving charges, current carrying conductors, magnetic dipoles like galvanometers, ammeter, voltmeter, magnetic materials like para, dia and ferromagnetic materials, and their properties are to be seen and studied thoroughly. In electromagnetic induction also, Faraday's law, electromagnetic induction, induced EMF, eddy currents, Lenz's law, these are the topics. Apart from this, circuit analysis, where you have to see about peak and RMS values, reactance, impedance, resonance circuits you have to study, AC devices में you can see AC generator principles, transformer operations and other concepts related to this topic. Furthermore, if we see, we have electromagnetic waves where displacement current, wave characteristics and electromagnetic spectrum are to be thoroughly go through. And next is the optics. This is also a very important part of the paper and lot of questions are coming from this sphere also. And the geometric optics, you will study about reflection, reflection, lenses and prism characteristics. Wave optics mein you can see the Huygens principle, wavefront analysis, Young's double slit experiment also you have to do, right? In modern physics, you have the dual nature of matter, atomic structure, nuclear physics and nuclear energy. So these are the topics again related to modern physics. And the last one is the electronic devices. So in the electronic devices again, energy bands and semiconductors you have to go through, right? And finally AC DC conversion, that is rectification circuits, you have to go through. So now again talking about the weightage. So this is the topic by weightage that you can see in the screen, where we have already talked that electrostatics contains the maximum weightage of 25%, current electricity again contains 15% of weightage, magnetic effects and current magnetism contains 10% of weightage, electromagnetic waves contains 12% of weightage, optics again 10%, and modern physics and electronic devices contains 10 and 18% of weightage. So this is the topic wise weightage of the paper, right? And that's why thoroughly we have to go and strategically we have to prepare for the paper, right? So with this information we have discussed about the physics paper for the undergraduate CUET examination, right? So Bhadra Academy again welcomes you to this field, and again this number is given to you that you can contact this number for more details. I hope that is fruitful video will help you in your future endeavors. Till then, thank you so much.